Because this is the line that keeps people coming back every year. Because of the view. It's got the great view.
It's the coolest.
Oh yeah, cool. Like it. On your way down, you'll see we'll break out of the trees a little farther down that way. As soon as you do, if you look off to the right immediately, you should see the confluence of the Illinois and the Mississippi River. Great view, but it's also a quick view because we do have leaves on the tree this time of year. With that being said, it might be a very quick view that you miss. But if you do miss it, that's all right. You still got plenty of trees you get to look at. Some of which are changing color though, so it gets pretty, pretty to look at. If nothing else, if you're afraid of heights, this is a great place to look down because then you get to see what it's like. Try one down, 1/4-inch steel cable going 40 miles an hour, 200 feet in the air.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Oh, good. It sounded so enthusiastic.
Right? Yippee skippy. Let's do it. I had a little kid tell me that one. Yeah.
There you go.
You could deal with
Let's
do it.
Wow.
He was literally like 7 years old. I'm like, I'm using that. All right. See ya.
And this one too, after the zip line, there's a little deck area underneath. So if you guys want like a group picture, then we can take one of you. It's got the zip line and all the trees and stuff in the background.
There's another line under it?
Yeah, I was just going to say, if you guys look down while you're going across, there might be somebody going underneath you too. It just depends on the timing. All right, I'm going to go ahead and step up here whenever you're ready. Alrighty, and then as soon as I get this other one clipped in, you're good to go.
Okay.
Have fun!
Okay.
How'd you like that one?
Oh, cool. I feel like it's getting better. It's not so bad.
Yeah, after the first two, people kind of eye that one. They're like, I don't know if I want to do it. You want to sit that way for me? You're going to go through that gate over there.
Okay.
Fine, clear. Yeah, go ahead and push through. Yeah. But then as soon as they do this third one right here, since it is the highest, everyone's just kind of like, oh, well, we can do it all the rest then. Yeah, we got this.
It's really pretty.
Usually if you're going to get people that, decide they've had enough, they don't want to go any further, it's at the top of this one.
And he didn't even have to push me off this one. I did it.
You did it?
I did it.
Awesome. Well, by the end, you're going to be a pro. You're going to be doing it all on your own.
Probably not.
Say that for me. Clear for guide. Goodbye. Zip on. So put that way for me. There's a gate right there where she's at. I'm going to have you go right on through it. Just right on through it. Gotcha.
He's upside down. Are you going to do that?
What?
Are you going to do that?
I don't think Chase knows what I was doing. What? Chase is going underneath me. I have like
No way.
open. At first, I was going over, I was doing this.